Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, pull down your notification panel, assuming you can, unlike me. There we go. Expand it and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. It's called mobile hotspot. So once you find it, you can hold it and get stopped by airplane mode. So I'm going to turn that off and now I can hold it. And this will quickly take me to the settings. So from here, I can change things like the hotspot name, which is going to be by default just the name of the device plus some like serial number or whatever that is. Then below that we have a password, which as you can see is just some randomly generated gibberish. So I will remove this one and set up my own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. And that's basically all the settings we have. Now from here, can I turn it on tapping right here, or can also turn it on through the notification panel. There we go. By simply tapping on a toggle. Now it is already running, so when I tap on it, I will turn it off. And additionally, once you're done with it, do turn it off, otherwise it will be consuming more of your battery for really no reason if you're not using it. But anyway, this is how you would set it up and use the hotspot, turn it on and off. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.